do you think is the biggest misconception people have about working with a stylist? Yeah, but you're slacking. You're a little slow today.
But I'm gonna change who you are.
That's the biggest misconception, that you're gonna change who they are.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna make them uncomfortable with the choices that they have made with what they have already.
Because that's what you do, right?
Judgmental.
Like, you don't come and shop for them.
No, I'm not that type of stylist. So I work with what you already have in everything, in interior design, in graphic design, in wardrobe. So I asked you, just like I asked Shannon today, bring me everything that you have, that you love, that you want to use, and then we'll work with that.
Got it.
And that goes with everything, interior design and graphic design.
That's freaking amazing.
Yeah,
that's pretty
the point
good.
is not to shop for new things, to rebrand your website, or to go to Home Goods and spend, I don't know, thousands of dollars on new decor.
Got it. Okay, that's pretty interesting. But let me ask you, because you mentioned about the mom thing, right? Like, why did being a mom change you from being an influencer to this other level?
Okay.
I mean, feel free to start asking. Like, go for it.
You're doing so well.
I know. I'm just like, like, Shannon's just here because, she's Madam President.
Shocked.
No. Yes. Like, Jesus. I feel like I'm doing all the heavy
I'm
lifting.
having a trauma episode over here.
Got it. She's, yeah.
I can concur.
Yeah.
Well, the mom thing was everything changes. Everything changes when you become a mom. You were not, at least I wasn't prepared. Were you prepared?
No.
I wasn't prepared at all. No matter what anybody would tell me, I wasn't prepared. And the time, the responsibility of taking care of another human just took a big toll on everything. Emotionally, how I dress, everything.
Lifestyle, the way you live.
Yeah. So
Yeah, happiness, yeah.
No.
No, I love my kids, but there's a little thing.
happiness.
Yeah.
It's different happiness.
Yeah.
It's just different. It's just different.
Yeah.
Just different. And yeah, my sense of self-worth also, and how I saw myself change when I became a mom.
Mm.
I no longer took care of myself. I took care of them.
Mm.
So that's why everything changed. Right?
Got it. Like, even your styling and your approach to
Yeah,
your
because
career.
I needed to survive.
Yeah.
It wasn't about, let me take 2 more minutes to figure out what necklace to put on. No, it was like, okay, which leggings do I put on today? The black ones that I put yesterday, the ones that I need to grab from the back, from the dirty on that.
Does my clothes have spit up? No. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, it's great. Babe, you want to ask this one about the life transition? I think that's a good question for you to ask.
The life transition.
Oh my God. Okay, so
I was going into this one, but yeah, go ahead.
But that's an old one.
yeah, wow.
Wow.
That's an old one.
All right.
Okay. So listen, don't worry. Like, this always happens, May. Like, I don't know why.
I got you. Don't
I
worry.
sent
got
her
you.
all the, okay, so,
Good stuff.
yeah, you and I are kicking ass here. You and I are kicking ass. You know what? I'm going to put the B-roll over Shannon.
Share with you.
Jesus. No. Oh,
Because it's highlighted.
Jesus.
One moment.
Hold on. Hold on.
I want to share with you.
MacBook Pro. No, but you got the wrong one.
I got it wrong.
Yeah, what's the thing?
Yeah.
No,
I'm sorry.
no, that's the right
I got
one.
that wrong.
Sorry, everyone. We're having technical difficulties. We're having technical difficulties.
Share.
All right. So let's start over. No, I'm playing.
Okay.
I'm sorry. That was my.
There we go.
Okay, I'm going to start over.
All the way over?
Yeah.
Why?
No, we're not going to start. Okay, so I'm going to ask this question while she brings up the right script. Why do you